Hello my friend, in today's video I'm going to show you a very exciting thing happening in my garden. This is my chair and I do my coffee every morning and afternoon right here. And I noticed like about 3-4 days ago, this jade plant here, some of the leaves are falling down um, that that way, and I was wondering what's going on. And 3 days after, this is what happens. A bird is making a nest, and there's two eggs in there already. So that's what's going on. So it's wonderful experience. They didn't make the nest in this tree in front of our patio. Um, Last year they had one, I think, on the other tree also, but this year they chose this basket right here. And they probably did this because my cat Rolly, right there, Rolly won't touch my plants, and usually he climbs up on that tree right there and mess with those baby birds. But yes, imagine yourself having a coffee and the birds flying from this basket in the morning. It's wonderful. Anyway, I'd like to show you my collection here. I have all kinds of baby succulents growing, and I have my Tradescantia quadricolor there. I also have my string of dolphin, and my Jatropha beerlandieri, that's how you pronounce it. It's sprouting. I thought it died, but it didn't. And I have my favorite string of pearls here. I got sloth, and I have a peperomia, and then also a enjoy pothos. And my favorite ones, Sansevieria starfish. There's also a baby coming out right there. So that's the things that are in my garden. So I'm gonna sit back and relax and enjoy, and I hope that this one enlightens your day. There's baby birds there in the near future. Have a wonderful gardening day.